¿Por qué deberíamos preocuparnos por él? ¿Por qué?
Means, why. Quote, pore is a contraction of pore-ke, literally meaning, for what, or, because of what. The,
comillas signo de apertura de interrogación comillas.
indicates a question, pronounced.
Por keh.
The,
Por.
is pronounced like pore in English, and the k rhymes with k. It's used to inquire about the reason or cause of something.
Deberíamos.
The first person plural conditional of the verb.
Deber.
Meaning, should, or, ought to. It implies an obligation or moral duty. Pronounced.
Deberíamos.
The stress is on the
Ri.
the
Be.
is soft, similar to the be in baby. It's used to suggest something is advisable or necessary.
Preocuparnos.
The first person plural reflexive form of the verb.
Preocupar.
Meaning, to worry, or, to concern oneself. The reflexive pronoun,
Nos. Ourselves.
indicates that the worry is internal, affecting the speaker and those included. Pronounced.
Preocuparnos.
The stress is on the
Co.
the
C.
before.
U.
Sounds like a soft k. The
R.
is a single, soft trill. It's used to express the act of worrying about something.
Por.
A preposition meaning for, or, because of, indicating the reason for the worry. Pronounced.
Pore.
It signifies the object of the worry. It's a versatile preposition used to express various relationships. Here, it links the worry to
El.
a pronoun meaning him or he, referring to a male person or entity previously mentioned. Pronounced.
El.
Similar to the English word el. It's a simple personal pronoun specifying the male subject of the concern. Putting it together.
¿Por qué deberíamos preocuparnos por él? Comillas.
Means, why should we worry about him? It's a question expressing uncertainty or doubt about the necessity of concern regarding a particular male person or entity.